Welcome to YGMTOOLS. As a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty horizontal lathes, we redefine the standard for large metal processing. Heavy-duty horizontal lathes, suitable for processing large and heavy workpieces, such as shaft parts, large wheel hubs, ship parts, steel and cast iron cutting, etc. Heavy-duty horizontal lathes with high cutting force perform multiple processes at the same time. Production efficiency is greatly enhanced. Interested heavy-duty horizontal lathes, please contact YGMTOOLS. YGMTOOLS, metal processing machinery expert.